My experience on ZapBoomBang Studios has been really amazing. It's such a cool place with good vibes. Sometimes when you create, you need this kind of environment and you can do magic, and the studio helps, definitely. I'm very happy with the final result. It was really exciting, and it is great when you see your music on an amazing piece of visual content. So when you put it together and make sense, and you see it adds something to what it was shot, it's really exciting. So I feel very proud of what we accomplished. As for the studio, I would say it's really cool. Like, there's a bunch of toys to play, cool vintage instruments that I love, and I guess it just feels like at home. Feel really cool to be working here and to just hang out and create. I think it's awesome.